Hey everyone.
From Bharti's MacBook Pro.
Hello everyone. So right now I'm at Anopura, and as you can see over here, that's my little makeshift kitchen. Yeah, so right now, today is the 28th of June. It's 1 p.m. right now, and wait, let me just check my watch. Today is Tuesday. So yes, I am planning to make this recipe that I found on YouTube. It's chicken Filipino rice stew kind of a dish, but it's a Filipino originated. It's very easy to make, and I really love these kind of comfort foods that I like to eat. So I thought, why not make it? Because I checked the ingredients, I have all that with me over here at the property, so why not? So I have all of this. You can see my induction from Philips. I love Philips induction. I have one at my own main place in Noida that I got many years back, and I'm very happy with it. So Philips makes some very good induction. Sorry, when it comes to kitchen stuff, I kind of get geeky. So it's a big thumbs up for me. If you're planning to buy an induction, make sure it's Philips, because so far they have not disappointed me. Hi guys, so I've come here. As you can see, I'm wearing zero makeup and just showing you how my skin is looking at this moment. As you can see, I have a breakout over here, and I'm just letting that heal. I'm trying not to touch it, even though it gets hard not to touch the acne, but I'm just letting this heal. And because I've been traveling non-stop, and then the unhealthy lifestyle that comes with traveling, and on top of that rising pollution and hormonal issues, my skin tends to break out. So whenever this happens, I know that I need to like step up my game when it comes to skincare. And lately I've been trying out this skincare, which has been really helping my skin heal. I'm getting this glow, and at the same time my acne is healing. So I know I need to be now patient and let this skincare work out for me. So the products I've been using for my skin is the Derma salicylic acid skincare range. So this is the face wash and the serum. I've been using this side by side, and you have to make sure to use a sunscreen after using any kind of salicylic based skincare. So sunscreen is very important to use after using any kind of salicylic acid product, so that your skin is protected from any harsh sun rays. So what is salicylic acid? It is a beta hydroxy acid that explicitly targets enlarged pores, acne, breakouts, and blackheads. It prevents clogging of pores and provides room for new cell growth, thereby preventing acne breakouts and making the skin looking healthy and clear. So for face wash, I have replaced my everyday face wash with this 1% salicylic acid face wash, and honestly I use this every day, and it really helps me to clean out all the gunk out of my face. It gives me that nice clean look. It feels very refreshing, and at the same time it doesn't give that tightening effect. So I really like this. It's something you can use every day, and it's very gentle to the skin. And what I really love about this skincare range is that this is sulfate free, paraben free, it's mineral and dye free. So I really like that, and it has no fragrance. So I love it even more, because I love using skincare which has zero fragrance, because I have a very sensitive skin. So this is great for people who have super sensitive skin. Just make sure you're using a sunscreen after using any kind of salicylic acid skincare. And every time you buy from them, Derma Co will link your order to a child that they educate along with Bhumi, and they have pledged to help 10,000 plus students across the year. Hey guys, so right now it's evening. Me and Piyush, we had the dish that I made and he really loved it. Sorry, I forgot to continue filming. I wanted to film myself eating the dish that I made, you know, because I really love watching people whenever they cook. They always show themselves eating. It's just, I forgot to film that footage. So yeah, now I'm kind of busy working, checking my emails and planning what all other campaigns I need to do. So I need to finish a video campaign by the end of this month, so that means I have like only 3 days, so wish me luck. And by the time you watch this particular video, I will be done. I'll give you a hint. It's a hair related campaign that I will be posting before posting this particular vlog, so let's see. By the way, I forgot to show you my nails. Can you see? Oh, I love it. I usually I'm getting my nails done after a very long time, and this time I decided to get almond shaped nails because it's kind of new for me for this style, because it's been trending all over the internet, on social media, and I was craving to get my nails done, so I decided to go for this particular shape. I usually get coffin style nails, either coffin shape or stiletto, but this is almond, and I am now finally like getting used to the new nail shape and I'm really loving it. Though I feel that it's kind of too long for me, so whenever I go for a refill, which is due very soon, then I will definitely shorten the length. But for now, I'm enjoying it.